Hey guys, welcome back to another cash stuffing video. So my name is Jeanette, and the reason why I cash stuff is to save for 6 months of expenses. So in today's video, we are going to be cash stuffing my sinking funds as well as my business bills. Make sure you check out yesterday's video where I did my wallet, which is the weekly expenses, as well as 6 months of expenses and debt. So before I get into this binder, I want to bring out my Budget Bestie binder so I can do my mood tracker as well as my no spend. So let's do that now. Okay, so here goes the Budget Bestie binder. And if we go on here to the mood tracker, today is February 5th and I'm feeling pretty happy. So I'm going to put a pink heart on that. And I'm going to add $3 to this. Okay. So now in here, we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. $11 for our mood tracker as well as our no spend. This is the folder for both of them. Now, as far as no spend, I did pick up the girls already today. So we are on the 5th. So that is going to get a pink slash. So pink slash is no spend and spend is a purple slash. And I owe $1 to the challenge. So far, so good this month. We've had no spend days. And let's jump into our sinking funds. Okay. Oh, that was loud. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, let's get my key. And these binders will be available in the shop in April. I'm still waiting, to get everything together for it. But in April, you should see these on the website. For now, I just have the regular A6 ones. I do have pink as well. So, okay, let's get into these sinking funds. Okay, so the first one is going to be back to school. And I am going to be tracking as I go. So back to school is going to get a total of $5. Okay, so this has a total of 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110. So I do want to actually put a placeholder in this. I have some here, I believe. I don't know where my placeholders are. Okay, I'll do it next video. So I'm going to put $100 placeholder in here. I just don't know where they are. I usually have them on my desk. Okay, so this got $5 today. So we're at $110, and today is going to be February 5th. Okay. So let's put this back. I think a lot of them reach 100 already. I know in my 6 months of expenses, all my categories there reach 100. Okay, kids is going to get a total of $5. So now kids has a total of 20, 40, 60, 80, 85. So let's add $5 to this. 85, and today is the 5th. And I'm going to need another budget sheet for this. This budget sheet is reusable, but I like to keep track of everything. So I'm just going to make a new one for each category once I'm done with it. Okay, so holidays is also going to get a total of $5. So let me put this here. So now holiday has a total of 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, $96. So let's put 96. I got a total of $5, and today is the 5th. Okay, so there goes holiday. Okay, now birthdays is going to get a total of $5 as well. Everything pretty much is going to get $5 today. Okay, so we have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 105. Let's put 5 here. 1, oh, ooh, 5. I'm going to have to erase that. Oh, no. Okay, so today is the 5th. Okay. Okay, so for home repair, this is a new folder. It's going to get a total of $5. And I have to make a tracker for it, a budget tracker. Okay, so now it has a total of $15. Okay, moving on to my business bills. So Shopify is going to get a total of $5. And I had just paid my bill. And taxes is going to get a total of $5. So let's add this 5 to it. So now taxes has 20, 40, 50, 55. And I feel like I don't need to track this. I don't think I'm going to track taxes. I'm going to erase it. I'm going to erase this and then add it to home repairs. So that's what I'm going to do for that. Okay, guys, so that is all I have as far as my sinking funds and my business bills. Check out Friday's video where I'll be doing my savings challenges. So those are the savings challenges that are available in my shop. And tomorrow's my day off. I'll be working on orders. I did send out some orders today and I will be sending out orders tomorrow. So I try to do them as they come in. Whoever's first, I'll work on to the last person. So yeah, guys, thank you again for all your support in my channel. Hit the subscribe button, share this with a friend, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.